Car design is getting increasingly sleek and aerodynamic. Great for drivers, but lower, wider cars with longer suspension means that lifting gear like jacking beams have to evolve to keep pace. Majorlift jacking beams are rated for use in Class 4 and Class 7 MOT tests. Majorlift are staying ahead of the game with our redesigned 2-ton jacking beam. Like all our range of garage equipment, it's precision engineered to perform time after time. And with its extra 60mm lift and 100mm wider reach, this new jacking beam is setting the industry standard for innovation, quality, durability and value. Let's see the jacking beam in action. This is the hand-operated model, but an air-operated version is also available. Make sure that the jacking beam is fully lowered before driving a vehicle over the inspection pit or onto the lift. That's particularly important for cars with low front skirts or spoilers. A full range of lifting pads are available to suit all types of cars, 4x4s and light vans. To raise the beam, close the release valve by turning this lever clockwise. Then, operate the handle at the front of the jacking beam until the desired height is reached. As a safety measure, the jacking beam has a built-in 3-level safety catch that engages automatically as the beam is raised. This not only protects the operator by locking the beam in the raised position, but also provides a stable work platform for carrying out wheels-off servicing, reducing the need for axle stands or other blocks. And for additional safety, the jacking beam is fitted with a hose burst valve to prevent the beam accidentally lowering in the unlikely event of a sudden loss of pressure. To lower the jacking beam, raise the beam a little so that you can disengage the safety catch. Simultaneously, fully rotate the safety catch lever clockwise with your right hand, while turning the release valve lever a little anti-clockwise with your left hand. You can control the rate of descent with the release valve lever. If the beam locks during descent, close the release valve and raise the beam a little before repeating the lowering process. This is just one of Majorlift's wide range of pit and lift-mounted jacking beams, each custom-built for specific tasks, and designed for lifting weights of 2, 8, 4 and 6 tons. So whatever kind of jacking beam you need, the answer is always Majorlift.